Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I've got a little spinning figure skater on my hands, and this little thing has helped her spins better than anything else. So the number one thing I like about this spinner is the confidence that it's given my daughter. It's double-sided. You can use it on any kind of flooring that you want. We put it on the carpet in case she fell off and she wouldn't hurt herself, but you can use it on any flooring that you want. It's very durable. It has these ball bearings on the inside that are greased so they slide very easily. You can get the proper spins out of them, and I love how durable it is. I know it's going to last for years. This is just a little video to show how she progressed through a month's time. She started off very wobbly with both feet on there, and then after a few weeks she was building up a little more confidence to try to cross her legs and still do the spin properly, and then she advanced from that to really looking good on her spins and having the confidence to even do it on the ice. I also love that it's portable. She can just keep it in her skate bag and even take it to the rink so her friends can try it. So this spinner has been a wonderful asset to my daughter in learning her spins. She's given her confidence to do them, and it has helped her so much. But that's just my point of view.